This time we'll make a quadratic equation. We will see a method to make quadratic equations in Python. Here I'm first importing this class math. From math we import the square method. This variable a is equal to int input, that is, I am going to enter data by keyboard, but I want it to show me data on the screen beforehand, and what is going to be received is going to be an integer. This is to enter data by keyboard, and this to indicate that what is going to be entered by keyboard through the input is going to be an integer. So here I say type the coefficient of the quadratic variable. Here I type the coefficient of the linear variable and the independent term. Yes, x1 it I say it to 0. x1 s2 I also initialize it to 0. Here I say if b squared minus 4 times a 4b, yes, if b squared minus 4 times a 4c is less than 0, then print the following on the screen. The solution of the equation is with complex numbers. Yes? Otherwise, x1 minus b plus squared by b squared minus 4 times a times c. Yes? Over 2 times a. Yes, remember that the difference between is that here it adds and here it subtracts. And here to show me the solutions of the equation, and here I print the result of x1 and here the result of x2. I'm going to run this. Yes, it tells me the following. Enter the coefficient of the quadratic variable. Yes, we are going to place number 10. Enter the coefficient of the linear variable. We are going to enter 2. Enter the independent term. We will enter 5. The solution of the equation is with complex numbers. Yes? Because when validating is the result of this operation gave us less than 0. If we, for example, put here, let's say 30, yes, and then I say that here the variable exists, yes, and the independent term is 10. Yes, so it brings the solutions. This is x1, yes, and this is x2. Yes, okay, so for this video, if you liked it, do not forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. So you soon.